Hi folks, I'm meteorologist Tom Convico. Got a little active weather out there. Let's show you on the radar what's happening. And I can kind of put this in to view here, put this into motion and get a little closer view. See thunderstorms back off to the west, and there are some alerts with this. You can see a watch is out for portions of East Texas. But what we want to look at right here, just a part of Sabine Parish is in a severe thunderstorm warning. This would be until, let's see, go ahead and stop that. That would be until 12:30 p.m. So you got about 45 more minutes on that warning. This is a standard warning for the potential for some strong wind and some hail from these two cells that we see here. Again, let me put that into motion, and you can see how these are moving fairly quickly. So there is a wind threat with this. We're also seeing a possibility of a little hail in some of these cores, and that is moving toward the east rather briskly. So let's look at some of the towns and cities that are in the warned area. For now, we look like, let's see, much of Toledo Bend, the lower and mid part of Toledo Bend. If you're along Highway 6, out between Manny and Toledo Bend, most of that area is warned. Negrete in the warned area, going down to Esto, Turtle Beach, again, all this on and near Toledo Bend. So if you're on Toledo Bend, you need to seek shelter immediately. And again, going to the south, let's see. So that includes all the way down into the Toledo Bend Dam as well. So a lot of rural countryside in the warned area also. Not quite up to Zwolle or Noble, and not quite into Manny, Fisher, and Florine down that Highway 171 corridor yet. But it's trying, and we think it probably will succeed as it is getting a little bit warmer. There's still some potential for severe weather. In fact, the Storm Prediction Center does have a slight risk out for the area. And this is actually one of those situations where our SINLA area is in 3 different risk categories here. So we can take a little closer look at that. So this small part of Beauregard Parish, and I never try to be this cute with the forecast, so essentially we're just going to say that there's a risk of some severe weather for today. But most of the area is in a level 1, which will be marginal right here, and then slight level 2. I've grouped these into 2 categories, and I call it limited. So it looks like it's going to be limited in scope, severity, and duration. So again, that is the risk levels for today. So that's a part of Sabine Parish under severe thunderstorm warning until 12:30. Stay indoors, stay away from windows, and don't travel in the warned area until conditions improve and the warning is lifted. All right, thanks for being with me. We may have more of these later today, so if they do,